Hi, I built this asset to help you save your time. It lets you test any method with its parameters in the inspector, as you can see here. You simply add ProButton before the method, and that's it. And now you can call the method at any time in the editor, and you can test the different parameters. The asset also prints the return value of the method, so you don't need to use Debug.Log anymore. For example, this method adds A and B and returns the value, and if we test it in the editor, you can see that the return value is automatically printed in the console. You can also use Play button, and this lets you only call the method in play mode. This is helpful when you don't want to accidentally call a method like destroy all enemies. So this method will only get called in play mode to avoid changing scene data by destroying the enemy's game objects. It works for mono behaviors and scriptable objects, and it works for all methods, static methods, public, private, and others. That's it. This asset will save you a ton of time, so get it now on the asset store.